morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the topic circles. We recall what is circle. Circle is a two-dimensional shape which is a simple closed figures. And you know what is the center point of this circles? This is called an O. O means the origin of the circles. That is the initial point, right? Next, what is the chord? Chord means a line segment joining with any 2 points of a circle. A line segment joining with any 2 points of a circle is called chord. So this is called chord. And what is this one is called? So this is for segment. What is meant by segment? Segment is a space occupied by the line segment and is between the arc of the circles. A space between this line segment, that means space between this chord and this arc of the circle is called segment. And this one is called the minimum segment and this one the maximum segment. That means the smallest space is called the minor segment and this one is called the major segment. So see what is sector. So sector is a space occupied by the two radius and the arc of the circle. The space between two radius and the arc of the circle is called the sector. This is also same as this is called the minor sector and this is called the major sector. That means maximum value of the sector. And what is this is called? We know what is it, which is the diameter of the circle. So what is meant by diameter? Diameter is the longest chord of a circle. That means the diameter is the longest chord of the circle and this line segment passes through the center of the circle. Right? So we know what is circles and the sector, segment and the diameter of the circle. We know already what is the area of the circle and perimeter. That means circumference of the circle we know. Now let us go to discuss about this segment and the tangent of the circle. Tangent and the secant of the circle. Next, let us go to discuss about the secant and the tangent of a circle. So, what is secant of a circle? A line intersects a circles in two distinct points, which is called the secant. Distinct point means it's a separate points. So, line intersects two distinct points is called the secant of the circle. So, this line segment is called this line is called the secant of the circle. Next one, what is tangent? A line meeting a circle in one point is called the tangent to the circles. A line meeting a circle in one point is called the tangent to a circle. So this line meeting the circle in this one point, and this point S is and this point S, and this line segment is called the tangent of a circle. So what is the name of this S? The point of intersection. So this is called the point of contact. As this meeting point of the circle and this line segment is called the point of contact. So next we see result and tangents. So the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So which is called the point of the contact? So the line L and the radius, the line L and the circle meeting at the point S is called the point of contact. The line and the circles are, that means the tangent and the circle is meeting at the point is called the point of contact. Here S is called the point of contact. So, and this line is called the radius of the circles. This radius of the circles and this tangent are perpendicular through the point of contact. Right? The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So, radius and the tangent lines are, what is that? This is a perpendicular. Next one, the length of the tangent drawn from an external point of a circle are equal. So first we draw the circles and we take the point P external of the point. External point means outside of the circle. So, this external point of a circle and PQ is the tangent of the circle. PQ is the tangent of the circle. PR is also the tangent of the circle. But what is our result? The length of the tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. That means the length of PQ is equal to the length of PR. That means PQ is equal to PR. Next, see your third question in exercise 10.1. What's your third question? So first and second question is fill in the blanks and choose. You will do the sum in your book itself. Next, third question. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 centimeters. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle is 5 cm is the radius. So radius is 5 cm is given. Makes a line through the point O at a point Q so that OQ is equal to 12 cm. So the value of OQ. So this point O and Q, the distance between OQ is 12 cm is given. So length PQ is, you want to find the length PQ. How to find the length PQ? So consider this. So this point is the perpendicular value because the tangent and the radius are perpendicular. We know from the result of the tangent. In triangle POQ. So which is this? So in triangle POQ, choose this is a right angle triangle. You know what is right angle triangles? So we can use the Pythagoras property. What is Pythagoras property? The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So OQ square is equal to OQ square is the hypotenuse square, which is equal to what is that? PQ square plus OP square. So implies that OQ square value what is that? 12 square is equal to PQ square 5 square plus OP square. Implies OP square equal to 12 square and 5 square transposing to what is that? Minus 5 square. Which implies OP square is equal to what is the value of 12 square? That means 144 minus 5 square value is 25, which implies OP square is equal to what is the value of 144 minus 25? 144 minus 25. So 119 implies that OP is equal to OP square is equal to 119 means what is the value of OP? That means the square root of 119, which is equal to square root of 119. So your question, what is first option? First option A is 12 cm, second B1 13 cm, C option 8.5 cm, and D value is 100 square root of 119 cm. So option D is the correct 119 cm. Your exercise 10.2 first question. So first three question is choose the correct answer. First one, from a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 cm. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is what is that? 24 cm. And the distance of Q from the circle is 25 cm. And the distance of Q from the circle is 25 cm. The radius of the circle is, you want to find the radius of the circle is, the option A is 7 cm, B 12 cm, C 15 cm, and D 24.5 centimeters. So which is the radius of the circles? So how to find this? So you know the radius and the tangent are perpendicular to each other. So this is a perpendicular value. So in right angle triangle, by using Pythagoras property, so by Pythagoras property, you want to find OP square. OP is the radius of the circle. OP square is equal to what is that? Hypotenuse square minus the side of the square. That means OQ square minus PQ square implies that OP square is equal to what is OQ square value? That means 25 square minus 24 square implies OP square is equal to what is the value of 25? 625 minus 576. Implies that. So what is the difference between 625 and 576? OP square is equal to 625 minus 576. So the value is 49. Which implies OP is equal to square root of 49. So what is the value of square root of 49? That is 7. So which implies OP is equal to 7 centimeter. Is the radius of the circle. So next second question is, if PT and QT are the tangent of a circle. Here PT and QT are the tangent of a circles and PO. So this is called the POQ. So POQ is called the value 110 degree. PO and OQ is called the what is the radius of the circles. Now we want to find the angle PTQ. PTQ we want to find. So now POQT is a quadrilateral, right? And what is the angle of PTPQ? So this is 90 degree. because the tangent and the radius are perpendicular, we know, and this angle is also what is that 90 degree. So in a quadrilateral, sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, we know. So therefore POQ is equal to 90 degree and OQP is equal to OPP is equal to 90 degree is given, and POQ angle POQ is equal to what is that 110 degree. Angle OQP is equal to angle OPP. The two angles are 90 degree and POQ is equal to 100 degree is given. Now we want to find the angle PTQ. So therefore, what is the angle sum of a quadrilateral? Sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral 360 degree. So angle P plus angle O plus angle Q plus angle T is equal to what is that 360 degree. Implies this. What is the angle of P here? So this is 90 degree plus angle O value is 110 degree plus angle Q value is 90 degree plus angle T is equal to 360 degree. That means sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Implies that 110 degree plus 90 plus 90, what is that? 180 degree. So plus angle T is equal to 360 degree. Implies what is that? 290. 110 plus 180, 290 plus angle T is equal to what is that? 360 degree. So keep the angle P is left side, which is equal to 290 is transposing to negative value. So 360 degree minus 290 degree implies angle T is equal to what is the value of 360 minus 290? So 70 degree. So therefore angle PTQ is equal to 70 degree. So how to find the angle? This is 70 degree. Now PT and QT is a tangent line and PO and QO is the radius of the given quadrilateral. So therefore given POQT is a quadrilateral. How to find the unknown angles? The sum of the angles of all the angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. So angle P plus angle O plus angle Q plus angle P is equal to 360 degree. Sum of all the angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree and P value is 90 degree and Q value is also 90 degree because of the perpendicular value plus 110 degree plus T is equal to 360 degree. So on 90 and 90, 180 plus 110 is equal to 290 plus angle T is equal to 360 degree. And if this angle T value is in the left side, so 290 transposing to minus 290. So angle T is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, angle PTQ is equal to 70 degree. So fourth question is prove that the tangent drawn at the end of a diameter of a circle are parallel. The tangent drawn at the end of the diameter of a circle are parallel. So we want to prove angle line L and line M are parallel lines. So here AB is the diameters and O is the center point of the circles. Angle 1 is 90 degree, angle B is also 90 degree. Because what is the conditions? Tangent and the radius are perpendicular to each other. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. But angle 1 and angle 2 are what is that? Alternate interior angle. So here angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate interior angles. What is the alternate interior angles concerned? Alternate interior angles, this like that angles is called angle 1 and 2 are alternate interior angles. So this is same like this angle A and angle B. That means angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate interior angles and these two angles value is 90 degree. We want to prove this line L and M are parallel lines. So how to consider these lines are parallel lines? Because we know what is the transversal conditions. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then alternate interior angles are parallel. So then alternate interior angles are parallel, equal. So therefore, angle 1 and angle 2 are 90 degree, and these two angles are alternate interior angle, means these two lines are what is that, parallel lines. So from the conditions of two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then alternate interior angles are equal. Here two alternate interior angles are equal, means these two lines are parallel. Therefore, angle, so line L and M are parallel lines. Right. So next our seventh question. See our seventh one. Two concentric circles are of radius 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters. So two concentric circles. What is meant by concentric circles? Two or more than two circles have the same center point is called the concentric circles. Two concentric circles are the radius 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So the length of the tangent of the larger circle is touches the smaller circle at point M. So here PQ is the chord of the larger circle. PQ is the chord of the larger circle and the tangent of the smaller circle. Right? We need to find the length of the PQ. That means length of this chord. How to find this? Now, and this is a 90 degree also, because the tangent of the smaller circle and the radius of the smaller circle are perpendicular. So, angle OMP is equal to angle OMQ is equal to 90 degree. Right. These two angles are 90 degree, and OP is equal to OQ, which is equal to what is that? 5 centimeter. So OP is equal to 5 centimeter. So these two sides are same measurement as 5 centimeter. What is next one? OM is equal to OM. So these two sides, sides OM is common for this two triangle. What is that? So this is common sides for this triangle. What is that? Triangle OPM and triangle OQM. So for these two triangles, and these angles are 90 degree is same, and these two sides OP and OQ is equal to 5 centimeter is same measurement, and OM is equal to OM. This is common sides for these two angles. So this is these two triangles. Therefore, triangle OPM is congruent to triangle OMQ. So by what is the condition? These two triangles are congruent by RHS congruence criterion. So for this RHS congruence criterion, these two triangles are congruent triangles. Now we need to find the length of the PQ. So first we take this triangle OMQ. In triangle OMQ, by using Pythagoras property, what is that? PM square is equal to OP square minus OM square. Which implies, what is the PM square value? We need to find the value of PM square, which is equal to OP square value 5 square minus 3 square, which is equal to 25 minus 9. So what is the value of 25 minus 9? 16. So PM square is equal to 16 means what is the value of PM, which is equal to 4 centimeter. So the value of PM is equal to 4 centimeter. But PM is equal to MQ by the corresponding parts of congruence of triangle. Therefore, PM is equal to what is that? MQ equal to what is that? 4 centimeters by CPCT. That means corresponding parts of congruence of triangle. So hence, what is the length of PQ? PQ is equal to PM plus MQ, which is equal to what is that? 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter, which is equal to 8 centimeter. So 8 centimeter is the length of PQ. Hence, the length of the tangent of the smaller circle or length of the chord of this larger circle is 8 cm. See our next one, 8th question. What is our 8th question? A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to a circumscripted circle. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to a circumscripted circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. This is we want to prove. What is the circumscripted circles? So, what is meant by quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. So, this quadrilateral is drawn to the circumscripting a circle means this length of the sides of the quadrilateral is passes through the circles, passes through on the circle. Right. We want to prove AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So, we know that what is the length of the tangent from the external point of the circle is equal measurement. So, here we know what is the value of AB. AP is equal to what is that? Sorry, AP is equal to AS. AP is equal to AS, and what is that? BP is equal to AP is equal to AS, BP is equal to BQ. So first equation, this is for second equation. What is next one? CQ. CQ is equal to CR. So this is third equation. What is next one conditions? DR. DR equal to DS. So this is fourth equation. Because the length of the tangents from an external point of a circle are equal measurement. So AB and AS are the same measurement. Then BP and BQ is the same measurement. CQ is equal to what is that? CR, and DR is equal to DS. Now we want to add all the equations. Adding equations 1, 2, 3 and 4. Adding equations 1, 2 and 3 and 4, what is that? AB plus BP. First we have to add the left side, LHS value, AB plus BP plus CQ. CQ plus DR is equal to, what is the value? AS plus BQ plus CR plus DS. Implies that. So, AB plus BP. AB plus BP is equal to AB. AB plus BP is equal to what is that? AB plus what is the value of what is the length of CQ plus DR? CQ plus DR. So CP is same as CR, right? So it is DC, which is equal to what is the value of AS plus BQ? AS plus BQ. So we can add AS plus DS. AS plus DS is same as AS plus DS plus BQ plus CR. We can interchange the length of the measurements, which is equal to AS plus DS value is AD plus what is the value of BQ plus DR? That is BC. Implies that AB plus CD is equal to what is that? AD plus BC. So which is our required proof? AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So next 10th question. Prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle suspended by the line segment joining the point of a contact at the center. So listen. So we want to prove angle QOR is equal to angle QPR is equal to 180 degree. That means sum of these two angles is 180 degree is we want to prove, because the sum of the angle is supplementary is given, right? Prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle suspended by the line segment joining the points of contact to the center. So point of contact to the center is QOR and QPR. The sum of these two angles is 180 degree we want to prove. So therefore, angle OQP is equal to angle ORP is equal to 90 degree. These two angles are 90 degree because of the tangent and the radius are perpendicular in in quadrilateral PQOR. So in quadrilateral PQOR, sum of all the angle is 360 degree because sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So angle Q plus angle O angle QOR plus angle QOR ORT angle ORT plus angle RPQ or PQ plus RPQ plus PQ angle PQO is equal to what is that 360 degree. Implies that what is the angle of QOR and PQO. So PQO and what is that ORP. So these two angles are 90 degree is given. So angle QOR plus angle what is that RPQ plus what is the remaining value 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 360 degree. Implies QOR. So QOR angle QOR plus angle RPQ is equal plus 180 degree. That means 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree equal to 360 degree. Which implies angle QOR plus angle RPQ is equal to 360 degree minus 180 degree. So 180 transposed to right side is a negative value, which is equal to what is that 180 degree. Therefore, angle QOR plus angle RPQ equal to 180 degree. So which is the required proof? The sum of the angles between QOR and QP are equal to 180 degree. So I hope to understand this. What is the tangent and the secant of the circles? Next class we will discuss about the remaining sums. Thank you, students.